I want to show you the 6-in-1 experiment kits. So you got 6 of these right here. You got a wind glider, you got a balance robot, magnetic levitation pin, a 3-sphere space instrument, hydraulic loader, and a colorful fiber optic light.
So today I'm going to be building the wind glider. Here are the steps. So step 1, you need to do everything organized, and it's pretty easy to build. So let's go ahead and build it.
So here she's building the wind glider. She likes to separate everything, keep it nice in order, and she's doing it. Looks pretty good so far.
Now, baby, weepy. Why?
Here's the final results of my wind glider.